What's up, YouTubers? Got a little victoranox here, armor. I know there's like 50 million these on eBay or YouTube. Do one more now. I like them. Of course, I like all knives. It's got saw blade, the big blade, the screwdriver, little can opener screwdriver, big screwdriver, bottle lifter. Oh, that's all sharp too. 93 millimeter. You just can't beat them for toughness. I don't know what you can beat them with. Ain't no hard to get it open. That saw's sharp too. Show you how sharp they are. Yep, drawed blood this morning. Well, folks, have a good day. Stay warm, stay dry. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.